In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find an envelope in DocuSign. Whether you're managing client contracts, checking signatures, or tracking important documents, this simple process will save you a lot of time. So before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. First, open your browser and head over to the official DocuSign website. Make sure you're logged into your account since you'll need access to your documents before you can search for anything. Once inside, go to the Agreements page. Think of this as your digital hub where all envelopes live, whether they're sent, received, or still in draft mode. This page gives you a complete overview so you never lose track of important files. If you're dealing with a lot of envelopes, the search bar is your best friend. Simply type in keywords, email addresses, or subjects connected to the envelope you're looking for. As you type, DocuSign automatically filters and displays matching results, making it super easy to locate exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. And here's a pro tip: if your organization uses naming conventions for documents, stick to them. It makes retrieval even faster and more organized. That's it. By logging in, heading to the Agreements page, and using the search bar smartly, you can find any envelope in seconds. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it.